Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. I got my morning cup of Joe Swanson here and thought I would hop in really quick because I was just reading the morning news and I came across this article on Amazon Flex. And if you didn't know, I will soon be launching a series on my channel where I'm going to be reviewing all of the gig economy apps. I'm going to go out, sign up, do it for a week full time and see how much money each of them can make. So I already do Uber and Lyft. I've done Postmates, so I'm gonna do a week of Uber, week of Lyft, week of Postmates, DoorDash, Grubhub, Instacart, and I think now I really want to do Amazon Flex. I mean, look at this article, guys. What it's really like to be an Amazon Flex delivery driver as a Prime one-day shipping expands. So I mean, honestly, it looks pretty cool. I've never done it before. I don't know too much about it, but this is the biggest line here. One-day shipping used to be a luxury. Now Amazon is making the norm for its 100 million Prime members. The faster the speed, now available on 10 million products across the country with no minimum products required. So I don't know if you guys know or if you guys are Amazon Prime members. It used to be free for students, so I signed up, but I guess it was only 6 months long. So after that 6 months, they actually renewed on me automatically and hit me with that like $200 a year bill. So I ended up canceling it. I don't even think they gave me a refund, but 2-day shipping was really nice. Now I have to wait 3 days like a peasant. It's like 3 to 5, so it's still pretty darn good. But one thing about Amazon Prime, if you're an Amazon Prime member, you get like 1-day shipping, 2-day shipping, because they have warehouses. And Amazon, their algorithm is so good. They ship out products to you before you even buy them based on like, consumer behavior. So let's say you buy like a razor on Amazon. Well, they know that statistically you're gonna, like on average, you're probably gonna run out of blades. So they'll ship out blades to your nearest Amazon warehouse to you. Maybe a few weeks after, or like however many blades came in, and that way when you go to purchase the blades, they'll be there already waiting for you. Like, they're so smart. Amazon. That's why Amazon is so big, because they're so quick at shipping out and they deliver like really fast. But anyways, if you want to be an Amazon Prime delivery, you will contribute to that, to getting people their products as fast as possible. So Flex launched in 2015, so not too long ago. It now operates in 50 US cities. So you have to be 21 actually, auto insurance, and at least a mid-size sedan can sign up. So after clearing a basic background check, blah, blah, blah. Look at this guy. CNBC spent a day delivering with Flex driver Omar Montes in the San Francisco Bay Area, where he helped a friend deliver around 46 packages in 3.5 hours for $105. I did the math on there already. It's $30 an hour. That's really good. That's $60,000 a year. You can make $60,000 a year delivering packages. That's insane. Last year, Amazon also brought on small business partners and bought 20,000 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter vans for them to use for delivery. Those two programs are part of Amazon's larger move, blah, blah, blah. We've built on those small businesses. Amazon advertised that drivers can make 18 and 25 an hour, but this guy made 30. I don't know. I'm curious. If you guys drive for Amazon Flex, let me know in the description. CNBC spoke to a total of 11, and how it compares to other gigs. Yeah, so I'm gonna do like all of these and see which one makes the most. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that series. I'm gonna put it to the test. Can you really make $30 an hour doing Amazon Flex? Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Let me know, what gig app do you drive for and how much do you make per hour if you want. You don't have to share your income if you don't want to, but do it if you want to. I'm curious. You guys are awesome. Keep up the great work. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye, guys.